A very warm welcome to the channel. If today is the first time here, my name is Yummy Cash. Today we are making this coconut candy, very sweet, perfect for satisfying sweet tooth people like you and myself. And it is very easy to make. So before you make this coconut candy, you need some shredded or grated coconuts. And before grating or shredding your coconut, wash it very well before you use it. So using a grater, grate the quantity and amount of coconut that you want. Once you're done with that, set it aside and then we move on to the next step. In a large pan, pour an amount of sugar. Now the sugar you want to use depends on how sweet you want your coconut candy to taste like. And to add more flavor to your coconut candy, you can add in some vanilla sugar as I am adding it in. I'm using 2 sachets of vanilla sugar. Now at this point, you're going to heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves completely. This probably can take you about 10 to 15 minutes depending on how high or low your flame is. Once the sugar has melted completely, start adding in your coconut. That is your shredded or grated coconut in bits. When you start adding in the coconut mixture, do not leave it unattended to. Stir continuously and make sure your heat is at a low flame so that you don't get everything burnt, okay? So you add it in bits till everything is in the pan and then you continuously stir your coconut candy. So at this point, if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video and share it out to someone out there. Now when you look at the bottom of the pan, you can see there's a little bit of water under there. You continuously stir it till all the water dissolves, or when all the water has evaporated from it. You can see the color has changed and it is a little bit dry at this point. Now time to mold the coconut candy into coconut balls. You take the amount that you want to mold and then in your palm you mold it round, put it on a plate and then you continue with the rest. Super easy to make and taste absolutely good. Until we meet again, take care. Cheers.